Hi, Elle here from Roper Rhodes Trade Solutions. Today I'll be taking you step by step through the installation of our Meridian Isocore Bath Panel, covering both the front and the end panel fitting. I'll also be sharing some trade tips along the way to make sure your installation is quick, neat and hassle-free. But before we get started, what is Isocore? Isocore is our revolutionary 100% waterproof material which will not degrade with exposure to moisture. Isocore is extremely light, coming in at 30% lighter than MDF. All our Isocore panels come with a lifetime guarantee, ensuring fit and forget and ultimate peace of mind. Step 1. Gather your tools. You will need the following: a tape measure, screwdriver or power drill, spirit level, Velcro strips or similar fixing method, softwood strips and screws, dust sheets or similar. And as always, wear eye protection when drilling and check for hidden pipes and cables before you start. Step 2. Level the bath. Check that your bath is level and set at the correct height for the panel. Measure the panel height and adjust the bath legs if needed. If your floor slopes, you may need to trim the bottom of the panel to follow the slope. Step 3. Prepare to position the panels. Panels are not designed to support the bath. You will need to use softwood strips fixed to the walls at either end. A section about 19mm by 38mm works well. Secure each strip with at least 2 screws. It's important to set the strips back from the bath rim to allow for the panel thickness and any fixing material. In this case, we'll be using Velcro for a simple and secure fit. Additionally, be sure to allow for the panel top to fit inside the lip of the bath wherever possible. Step 4. Prepare and join the panels. When fitting both the front and end panel, you need to join them before securing them to the bath. This ensures a neat finish and makes the overall installation easier. To do this, take 1 or 2 strips of softwood and drill 2 pilot holes into each to guide the screws into. Always check the length of your screws to avoid damaging the panels. Then fix this piece centrally to the back end of the end panel. Lay the front face of the front panel on a flat protected surface as to not damage the panel. We recommend the use of a dust sheet or similar to provide adequate protection from the floor. Now guide the end panel vertically over the back of the front panel. Position them so the end panel sits behind the front panel. Then attach your screws and secure. A good tip on this step is to partly secure your screws and check the alignment halfway, as to make sure the panels are lining up flush with each other. Always check that the edges align correctly and that the joint looks neat from the front. Step 5. Secure the panels. Once the panels are joined, lift the assembly into position against the bath. At each loose end, secure the panels to the softwood strips that you have previously fixed to the walls. Take care to align the Velcro. Step 6. Final checks. Ensure the joint between the front and the end panel is tight and visually neat. Confirm that the panels sit flush against the bath and the floor. As we are using Isocore panels, no sealing is required to complete the install. However, for best practice, to protect flooring and skirting edges, it is advisable to apply a bead of sealant around each panel's edge. And that's it, 6 steps to successfully install our Meridian Isocore Bath Panel. For more guidance and information, or to view our complete range of bath panels, please visit tradesolutions.roperrhodes.co.uk.